Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I can show you total of 5 websites where we can create a directory backlink. So the first website name is alivelinks.org, and before that we can research something, we can talk something how you guys will do directory submission. So for the directory backlink creation, you guys can consider your index page, either your category page, either your service page. I hope you guys will understand what is index page. Index page, that means home page. Service page is basically your main page where are your all services are listed, are your any kind of a category page, are where all category are listed. So only the three links you can consider for the directory backlink. And once you guys can create directory content where you guys can consider to, you guys can cover your all over concept about your business. You guys can you guys can talk about your business. Suppose that you can see this is my title for the directory submission, and you guys can see what I have picked: best video interview platform. So this is my title, and this is my description. So I'm going to use this content for the directory submission. Established in 2012, JobMai is a leading video interview platform that harness innovative technology to offer employers seamless and effective virtual interview experience. So in this description, anyone can read this description. They will going to understand what is this business and what we are providing. So I hope you guys will understand about the directory submission. So this is the first website. So there is a add site button. You can click over there, and this might take a couple of seconds. So there you guys can add your URL, and you guys can add your title, and you guys can add your description, and you guys have to add your company name and your email ID. Then you guys can choose your category, so our category is employment. Then you guys have to verify the captcha. Then you can click to the continue button. And you guys can see there is link is submitted and waiting for the approval. So you guys can check in latest site section. So where is, you guys can find where your backlink. So you can see best video interview platform, and this is our website URL, and I can go to click for the link details. Then you guys can find your directory landing page URL. So this is your directory landing page URL, and once you guys can go to hover this, then you can see this is backlink, and I can show you this is a Dofollow backlink. So you guys will see this is 100% Dofollow backlink with contextual. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So now we can move forward with a next website. So the next website name is businessfreedirectory.biz, and there is a add site button. You can click over there. So there you guys can add your URL and your description, and your title. Then you guys can add your name, business name, email ID. Then you guys can choose your category. I think this is overall a same process what we did previously. Then you guys have to select your category. Then you can acknowledge that you are not a robot and you guys have to click for the continue button. And also I can just click, this is a next website is targetlink.biz. I'm just clicking the ad site, so it should be take a couple of seconds to opening the landing page. So our link is submitted, and we can check in latest site section, and you guys can see our link is approved, and we can click for the link details. You guys can see best video interview platform Jobma, and this website is opened, so where we can fill all details. So there you guys can add your title, your URL, and the description, name, business name, email ID, and you guys can choose your category. And now we can verify the captcha, then we can click to the continue button, and you guys can see this is a backlink. If you wanting, I can show you, this is a Dofollow or Dofollow backlink. So you guys can see it's 100% Dofollow backlink with contextual, and this is might taking couple of seconds. So URL could not be valid. Why? You will already existed in the directory section. I hope we have already created. So let me search. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. I have an idea who is created video backlink over there. So you guys can also consider this website for the your case. I think my team has created already backlink on that website. So now we can move forward with the last website. So no. So the next website. So next website name is sublimelink.org, and you can see there is a add site button. You can click over there. And the last website name is hotlinks.biz, and there you guys have to see add site button. You can click. Oh, it's working fast. These websites are slow. So there we can add our URL, and there we can add our title and the description. There you guys can choose a name, email ID, and the category, employment. You guys can verify your captcha, bicycle, and you guys can click for the continue button. And once it's taking time to loading next page, so we'll proceed a method for the last website. So there we can add our URL and the meta title and the description. There you guys can add your business name, email ID, and your category. And you can verify your robots, motorcycle. Then you can click for the continue button, and you can see URL not be valid, https/jobma.com. New URLs. Why the things are happening? I guess we have already created our directory backlink on that website. So that's why we are getting this pop-up message. So URL could not be valid. Either the page does not exist, your server could not be connected. URL already existed in the directory. I haven't idea. You guys can check this website for the your directory. If this website are working, so it's a well and good. Otherwise, we will create next video. And same things with the last website. And all the websites URL I can provide over the description section, so where you guys can access those websites easily. And if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request to you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.